Come on. Come on. Yeah, look at it. Come on. Mama's got you. Oh,
I don't know which one that one is.
sweet pea.
That was a different one.
They're all coming out now.
Yeah.
I have to dump some more out. I'm throwing them out there for them. They're all coming out now. Saturday afternoon. They've been quiet most of the day. I think a hawk's been around. Oh, we'll be chasing each other, guys. Real feisty. Where you go? Oh, who's behind me? Who's that? Who's that? Speedy, is that you? Hmm? Speedy, what are you doing? Right, let me get you one. Mama's got him. Here. Come on, come on, come on. See, I'm waving them over now. We got a bag right here. Yeah. Here you go. Speedy. No, it's not Speedy, that's Spencer. Ah. It looks like Sweet Pea. Came from Speedy's direction. They're all out now. It's about 6 o'clock Saturday night. Like I said, the hawk's been around. Play nice, guys. Plenty of food. Plenty of food, guys. Play nice. Guys are bouncing all over the place. Yeah, I got one for you. Here you go. Where is it? Where is it? I just threw it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he said, I think not. Too small for you? A bigger one? There you go. There's some picky squirrels. Who's up there at the front? Who's up there in the nut hut? Oh, big jump. Good jump. It's all right. Mama's coming to dump some over there for you guys in the corner. It's still coming. Yeah. No. Oh, Sweet peas right there.
She's under here.
Yeah, yeah. Do it.
I don't know.
Here you go, sweet pea.
That's all we got.
Oh.
Small ones.
Too small for you?
That's all we got.
Sweet pea. Better? Oh.
That's all I got. They're
there you
getting
go.
smaller.
Yeah. Alright. Maybe that's what you wanted
Come
was
on,
the
Manny.
smallest one.
Come on, Manny. Alright, I'm gonna
Alright,
have to break
yeah, yeah.
Come on. Come on. Okay.
She got you.
No.
Oh.
Manny, I'm sorry.
Oh, now another one's coming. Look at
Oh, hey, Smiley.
Smiley.
Hello,
Yeah,
Smiley.
yeah.
You go, Smiley. Smiley.
Oh, she got
Okay, now I gotta get that one. But I can't
Yeah.
walk in front of you.
Oh, big jump. Might have to fill that up again. It's pretty empty over there.
I'll go get some.
He's going over there. There you go.
I'm gonna go get some.
You gotta reload. Who's that over there? Who's that over there? Who's that? You waiting for Mama to come back out? The other bucket? Oh. You coming over to me? I ain't got any. I don't have any. Let me see if there's any on the ground here. I don't see any over here. What is that? There you, Spencer. Spencer, go up to the front. You might have to go up to the front, brother. There ain't none up here. What? You think I got something I'm holding out? Hmm? You think I got something? Hmm? You think I got something? Oh, that looks like Speedy. Hey, you, Speedy. Is that you, Speedy? Oh, no, that's Speedy. Look at Speedy ran up there. Look.
Oh, what y'all doing?
Spencer's coming over here, and then Speedy ran up.
Oh, wait. You got it? Here you go,
Look
Spencer. Yeah.
Oh, man. See, Speedy is right
She's
big.
doing a thing, her thing here.
Speedy, come on.
Then you'll be back to the other. I'm ready again. Oh, hey, sweetie.
Oh, who's that there?
So pretty. She's a newbie.
They're all coming up.
She's a newbie. She's so pretty. So pretty.
There she goes. Hop along.
Running back there with Stormy. Nuts.
Mama's got to reload the house right there. Dump some on the ground. I'm gonna dump them in there. All right. Pecans and peanuts and Cracker Jacks. Oh, birds are buzzing me.
Oh, you're sitting up there.
Oh, birds are buzzing me. Hmm? Alright. I gotta see what the mitts are doing.